Access controls should be checked periodically to verify compliance with inheritance flags, approval flags, and control policies. A requirement for management of protected data is the ability to verify that access controls are correctly set. Usage agreements may have changed and project members may have changed. The access controls may require corresponding changes. Periodic checks are needed to track updates to collections, track changes to access control lists, and track changes to access requirements. Note that changes to policy may be needed as access requirements change. A useful rule is to identify all persons who have access to one of your collections. This requires identifying all persons with read access, all groups with read access, and all members of the groups. Checks could also be made for persons with write permission and persons who have ownership privileges on the files. The rule test listaccess.r is available in LifeLive Zone Home RWMore Rules Test listaccess.r. The rule lists all persons who have access to a sub-collection. The rule counts the number of persons with access permission, counts the number of permissions that grant access to a person, and resolves membership in groups. Since a person may be a member of more than one group, he or she may have access through multiple controls. This can be checked by counting the number of times they are granted access. The rule can be modified to check for specific types of access, including write, read, or execute. The rule test listaccess.r is shown here. The rule has an input parameter star rel call that defines the collection that will be checked. The collection name is checked to verify its existence. A list star LACC is used to record all persons who have access. A query is made to retrieve all of the file names within the collection. For each file, the names and permissions are retrieved for all persons who have had access control set. If the name has not been found before, it is added to star LACC.starName. If the name was found previously, the number of occurrences is incremented. A query is made to check whether the name represents a group name. If it does, the members of the group are examined and are added to the star LACC start name list. A formatted list of the names is printed to standard out. Take 7 minutes and complete exercise 83. For your research collection, set public access on a file in a sub-collection. Find all persons who have access to the sub-collection in your lifetime library. Use the rule LifeLive Zone Home RWMore Rules Test listaccess.r. Please load a paragraph describing your result into the lifetime library in the sub-collection class INLS 624 by the end of today's class.